English explorers. Today we are diving into some fantastic English phrases featuring the word new. These expressions will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you sound more natural in conversations. So, let's jump right in. First phrase is a new lease on life. This means getting a fresh start or a second chance. For example, after I moved to a new city, I really felt like I had a new lease on life, like hitting the reset button and gaining a whole new perspective. Next, we have new blood. This phase refers to fresh energy or ideas, especially in teams or organizations. For instance, when a company brings in someone with innovative ideas, they might say, "We need some new blood to spark creativity." It's all about adding that extra sparkle. Moving on to the next one, we have the new kid on the block. This refers to someone who is new to a group or place. If you just started a job, you might say, "I'm the new kid on the block here, but I'm learning so much every day." Next up is a new dawn. This phrase symbolizes fresh beginnings. For example, with the start of the new year, it feels like a new dawn for our company with all the exciting projects ahead. It's like turning the page to a brand new chapter. How about in the news? When something is in the news, it means it's being widely discussed in the media. For instance, the release of that new movie is all over the news. Let's talk about new horizons. This phrase signifies new opportunities or experiences. For example, moving to a different country has opened up new horizons for my career. It's all about stepping outside your comfort zone. Next is a new perspective. This is perfect for describing when you see things in a fresh or a different way. For example, after attending that workshop, I gained a new perspective on leadership. It's all about shifting your viewpoint. Here's another important phrase, the new normal. This describes situations that become typical after significant changes occur. For instance, working from home has become the new normal for so many people. It's a big change that's here to stay. Next up is new territory. This refers to completely unfamiliar situations. Starting a new job or launching your own business can feel like new territory. For example, starting my own business feels like uncharted territory, but I am excited for the challenge. And finally, we have out with the old, in with the new. This phrase captures the essence of letting go of past things to embrace something fresh. For example, it's time for spring cleaning, out with the old, in with the new. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. I would love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite phrase from today? Until next time, keep exploring English.